Imagine this. For just 5 seconds, all the oxygen on Earth disappears. You may think, it's only 5 seconds. How bad could it be? What would happen in that small amount of time could change everything we know about life on this planet. No oxygen. 5 seconds. Total chaos. Oxygen is everywhere. It's not just something we breathe. It's in every process, every cell, and every living thing. Our lungs, they'd seize up, but not from suffocation. It's the rapid pressure change. Without oxygen, the air pressure drops drastically, making it almost impossible to breathe. Buildings made of concrete and steel would instantly begin to break apart. Why? Oxygen is a vital part of the chemical reactions that hold materials like concrete together. Without it, these structures would crumble as the bonds weaken. And the oceans. The oxygen dissolved in water keeps it alive, but in a moment without oxygen, the oceans would start to release hydrogen gas into the atmosphere, creating massive disruptions. The global impact would be immediate and catastrophic. Airplanes, mid-flight, would plummet to Earth in seconds. Why? Airplanes rely on oxygen for combustion in their engines. Without it, the engines can't function. On the ground, cars with combustion engines would stop dead in their tracks. And for those using electricity, power grids would shut down as quickly as the oxygen disappears. Modern society relies on combustion, electricity, and oxygen to run. And without oxygen, fires would immediately go out. But it's not just humans and cities that would be affected. Nature, too, would start to feel the loss. Plants, which rely on oxygen for respiration, would start to wither away instantly. Animals would panic. The animals that rely on oxygen to breathe would struggle as quickly as the humans, but with less awareness of what's going wrong. Even the smallest insects wouldn't survive. Oxygen also plays a critical role in the Earth's water cycle. Without it, the balance would be thrown off, leading to changes in weather patterns and even disrupting natural water supplies. Now, you might be wondering, could the Earth survive longer without oxygen? The truth is, 5 seconds would be enough to set in motion a chain reaction we'd never recover from. If Earth were to lose oxygen for even a few more seconds, the loss would multiply, accelerating the breakdown of ecosystems, human health, and life itself. With no oxygen, our atmosphere would destabilize. The ozone layer, gone. Rising radiation from the sun would make Earth uninhabitable in minutes. Oxygen is more than just the air we breathe. It's fundamental to every process on Earth. It fuels plant life through photosynthesis, provides energy to all animals, and is key to the chemical reactions in our cells. Oxygen doesn't just exist in the air. It's in the very fabric of life, from the microscopic cells inside your body to the grand ecosystems that sustain the planet. Thankfully, oxygen won't disappear. But this thought experiment teaches us a valuable lesson. Sometimes, we take the most vital things in life for granted. Oxygen isn't just a gas in the air. It's the invisible force that keeps us and everything else alive. So the next time you take a breath, remember, the life around you is fragile and it's precious. Take a moment to appreciate what makes life possible.